One of the casting directors, Shubham and Prashant, they were
Hmm.
testing for special ops, and they have tested me for special ops 1.
Okay.
But I got rejected for that. For some reason, of course.
Okay.
Maybe I must not be good, but they give me the feedback that we
Hmm.
were not as good as when they tested me this time.
Okay.
Adil and I used to listen to KK sir a lot. Like
Huh.
whatever he had to say,
Huh.
whatever he had, his experiences he had to share with us. And he also likes to talk.
Huh.
Like he would love to, like if we're sitting over a coffee, he can go on for like for an hour.
What would you talk about like that?
On the set, it's very professional. I
Hmm.
think Neeraj sir is one of the most professional people I've worked with. So सेट पे कोई बात नहीं होती इतनी.
कैमरा के बाहर सब होता है.
या कैमरा के बाहर we are always like having our good time, like chilling, relaxing, and
हाँ.
why would anybody would want to work beyond a limited hours? Because our physicality, because I know I've worked for like as model, I've been working for 12 hours.
Yeah.
I would professionally want the profession needs to have like that boundary.
Wardrobe of a celebrity you'd love to steal. किसका wardrobe चुराएंगे आप?
Ouch.
Actor.
Can I say my? Forget it.
बता, we want to know now. Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com with me, Sean. आज हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट जुड़े हैं जो काफ़ी सारे अक्लेम्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम कर चुके हैं, जैसे स्पेशल ऑप्स हो गया, खाकी द बिहार चैप्टर हो गए. शी इज ऑल्सो अ टॉप मॉडल एज वेल हु हैज वर्कड इन लैक्मे फैशन वीक एंड कोलैबोरेटेड विद सेवरल ब्रांड्स. सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू द वन एंड ओनली एक्ट्रेस एंड मॉडल ऐश्वर्या सुष्मिता.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Ashwara, first of all, I would like to thank you for taking out your time and talking with India.com. It's been a pleasure having you here. तो चलते हैं
Likewise, Sean.
अब आपके जर्नी के बारे में. बहुत फैसिनेटिंग सा जर्नी है. तो आपके प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ में जाने से पहले एक छोटा सा फन एनेक्डोट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा. जब मेरे पास ये इंटरव्यू का अप्रोच आया था फ्रॉम साक्षी, आई वाज ड्राफ्टिंग अ मेल. तो मेल में आपका नाम मेंशन करना पड़ता है. इट्स अ डे टू डे वर्क दैट वी हैव टू डू. सो आई वाज लाइक राइटिंग कि इंटरव्यू के लिए ऐश्वर्या सुष्मिता में चाहिए. हमारे मैनेजर और कैमरामैन रमेश जी जो है नहीं यहाँ पे, तो सबका रिप्लाई आ रहा है, अरे ऐश्वर्या राय और सुष्मिता सेन दोनों आ रहे हैं, वो भी जी मीडिया में. एंड पूरे फ्लोर में बात छा गई थी कि अरे यार, दो बड़े दिग्गज स्टार्स आने वाले हैं. तो सबको ये लगा कि भाई कौन आएगा. फिर हमारी मैनेजर ने क्लैरिफाई किया, ऐश्वर्या सुष्मिता इज कमिंग. शी इज अ पॉपुलर मॉडल है, एक्ट्रेस है, काफी सारे ओटीटी में काम कर चुके हैं. सो सबको it's a very unique name that you have, Aishwarya Rai plus Sushmita Sen, and then comes Aishwarya Sushmita. So I just wanted to know कि ये भाई नाम, इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नेम कहाँ से पड़ा?
मतलब ऐसा एक भी इंटरव्यू नहीं है जहाँ मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं देना पड़ा हो, बट यस है, मेरे माता पिता ने रखा है ऐसा नाम, तो आई हैव टू बी आंसरेबल. बट या यू आर राइट, लोगों को बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है. मैं कभी भी लाइक आई एम चेकिंग इन होटल और एनीवेयर, they're like, okay, there is a double occupancy happening. Like, nahi, ye single hai. So yeah, this happens a lot, Sean, with me. But yeah, I'm also like really like grateful to have this name because I have ended up in the same industry and I never thought of. So my parents really were inspired. While growing up, we used to watch pageants on our dinner table, and used to be a really massive thing back in days, right?
True.
And Aishwarya and Sushmita, they both represented our country on internationally on a global platform. So it was very, very inspiring for us. Like, and also my parents were very inspired. Maybe they must have gotten confused and they were like, "Chalo, dono naam rakh dete hain." So maybe one of those reasons.
I guess they made a very good decision keeping such a wonderful and a beautiful name, Aishwarya Sushmita.
Yeah.
So you come from Bihar, है ना? And आपकी journey काफी inspiring सी रही है. You've studied in Delhi University. You did philosophy. You're a national level badminton player, right? And you ended up in modeling.
Yeah.
तो ये drastic change कहाँ से? Like I believe, मेरे को नहीं पता कि आप कितने studious थे, क्योंकि आजकल के लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई
बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ना चाहती थी मैं.
अच्छा, so how did you end up in like philosophy and then to modeling?
Yeah,
क्या है story?
I think somewhere destiny, you never know what it has in store for you. So I just kept on going. Like I'm somebody who never looks back. I'm always like looking forward to something new and interesting. तो उस टाइम पे भी आई थिंक बिकॉज फिलोसफी लेने का एक पूरा होल मकसद था मेरा कि मुझे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जाना था.
अच्छा.
आई वांटेड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद समथिंग वेयर आई एम सर्विंग द सोसाइटी.
Okay.
I don't know what happened in between that I had to take this path and like I had to turn my the whole path and ended up being a model. It was never planned. It was all by chance that happened. And while I was studying philosophy, I went to audition for a Kingfisher Calendar Girl that was happening in 2016.
Okay.
And my father just like said, why don't you like audition for it, test for it if you have like a great height. And my professors used to like, you know, in college, in IP college, they used to, you look like model. And I was never inspired or anything like, you know, or ever intrigued by modeling or any fashion. I was like one of those nerd, like, you know, wearing big glasses and studying philosophy. And of course, I mean, it just happened sometimes, you know. So I went for the audition and I cracked it and I won it eventually. That came as a surprise for me because I never expected in my dreams that I would win something like this, which is being telecasted on national television. And it was a turning point for me. And then there's no looking back. And today I'm here sitting in front of you.
That's wonderful. It means a lot when you say a lot of, you know, such good things. अब जैसे आपने बताया कि like you won that Kingfisher beauty pageant contest, you know, do you believe that it was that turning point for you in that life कि modeling से आगे मैं अब कुछ और सोच सकती हूँ? Like how was that experience? वो you take me to that moment exactly. जब आप वो जीते, how did it feel to you? Was it like this is the world to me? यही था मेरा limit. How was it?
You know, in hindsight, Sean, like I remember when I won that title, Kingfisher Calendar Girl, I'll be going to Seychelles to be a calendar girl. And eventually I ended up being on a cover of Kingfisher also. You know, in that moment when my name was announced, I really was spellbound because I was not expecting. I didn't see it coming my way. So I really had no words. And now I feel like, wow, if I had won it today, I had spoken so much and like, you know, I would have expressed. But I was I couldn't express. And I was spellbound on the stage and I was like, okay, I'm happy, but I just can't express it. So that's something, you know, with time you grow, you understand the importance of these titles, which maybe as a child of 21, 22-year-old, I couldn't understand back in days. But it really was a turning point for me. Like, you know, and the moment I was on the stage, I came back and I joined the fashion, the day one, I came back from the Kingfisher calendar shoot. Everybody in the fashion fraternity, they embraced me. They wanted me to work for, like I remember my first few designers were Manish Malhotra, Sanjay Garg.
Those are some quite big names that you have.
And they were the ones who said, I somewhere got to know later that they wanted me to open their shoes. Sanjay Garg asked Aparna Bahl, who's a very renowned choreographer here in Delhi. So, you know, those just, even though I couldn't open the show in that moment, but those were the things which really like made me and boosted my confidence that, okay, I kind of deserve to be here. So, you know, it really was a beautiful journey for me and the graph only like kept on moving forward. So
that's really wonderful to know. You know, Aishwarya, just take me through your typical day, you know, your modeling times and now you're an actress as well. You know, बहुत busy schedule रहता है and बहुत कम सुनने को मिलता है ना आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ में कैसी रहती है. आई बिलीव कि हम जैसे नॉर्मल जैसे तो लोग होंगे नहीं कि काम किया 9 to 5 किया घर जाओ सोए खाए पे फिर ऑफिस में आओ, राइट. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर योर डे टू डे लाइफ वुड बी सुपर एक्साइटिंग फन, है ना, सुनने में मजा आता होगा. यू नो देयर आर मेनी व्यूअर्स ऑफ आवर्स वुड लव टू नो कि एक मॉडल और एक्ट्रेस होके हाउ इज योर डे टू डे एक्टिविटी, कैसा रहता है आपका फुल डे टू नाइट, यू नो, routines and all. Would love to hear from you.
Yeah, you know, I never so basically I'm not much of a planner. I don't really think कि कल क्या करना है. But it's exciting, but it's also very challenging, Sean, because you know, 9 to 5, at least you get back home by 6, 7-ish and you have like the whole good 9, 10 hours in your hand to just like rest out. Like yesterday I was working and I was working for one of the brands in Delhi. And I came back in the hotel by like around 12:30. You know, the whole process was, so it gets tiring. Like modeling really gets tiring because you are walking on 6 inches heels, 3 inches heels, and they're not just the 20 minutes of a walk. There is a whole day of rehearsals happening. So it can be very challenging if you're not really used to it. Like I think by now I'm pretty much used to it, but I make sure after these work, I at least have one day like in my hand next day to just like relax and because it can reflect in my voice, it can reflect on my face, because for us this is our
Exactly.
This is
Yeah.
the whole
That's
thing. I mean,
everything, you know, have to put
we
it
have to
out
be
there.
front and we have to be in the front of the camera. We have to look beautiful. We have to be presentable.
Yes.
So these things are very important. So once you get used to it, of course, you know your way to just
Manage
like
things
carve
and
or
all,
manage
yeah.
things around. But yeah, I mean, it's exciting also at the same time, because if I think of the 9 to 5, I now feel I think this is I'm on a better space. I would
Okay.
rather prefer this than being in a 9 to 5 job,
Okay.
because challenges are everywhere. But the excitement that this whole fraternity gets to you, I think it's also interesting. Yeah.
That's wonderful
Yeah, and
hearing
I would
from
say
you.
I'm privileged to be here. No complaints, to be honest.
That's really great, Ashwarya, hearing from you. You know,
Yeah.
you come from a very good background, right? And modeling में भी है. And हम हमेशा सुनते आ रहे कि modeling के काफी सारे positive sides भी है. But you being an outsider, आप जब पहली बारी आए, I'm pretty sure, as you said, there were many challenges that you faced, right? I just wanted to know कि modeling में भी dark sides हैं, राइट, बट उसको कोई मोस्टली एड्रेस नहीं करता है. सो जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि आपके करियर में व्हाट हैव यू सीन कि लाइक यार दिस इज द डार्क साइड ऑफ द मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री, इससे इट्स बेटर टू स्टे अवे रादर देन गेटिंग इनटू इट. Was there the challenges that you had to face during this your modeling time?
So you know what, Sean? Because I have done a bit of my modeling, which was a full-fledged 5 years of my modeling I did, and then I switched to acting. Like I said, like challenges you will find everywhere, whichever industry you are in. But I have been really personally been very privileged to be a part of a fashion fraternity where I have always felt embraced, either by designers or the backstage people or my co-models. They've always been very supportive, very helpful, and very friendly. So to be honest, while starting, I never felt that I am I've ever had complaints about it. Rather, I've always been very happy that I somehow managed to establish my modeling career very soon, relatively, if compared to others. But over the period of time now, because I'm an actor, and in hindsight, and even like today, I keep taking few work which kind of interests me, and I feel I should take it because I don't want to block or restrict myself. So now I realize that because of the inflation and everything is growing, I think our fraternity also needs a little bit of a growth.
Okay.
Especially like for us, like the models we also need to be treated a certain way, and it's a lot of work, because as an actor, of course, we have our vanity and we are like sitting and we can like take our own time. It can be emotionally draining as actors, but for models, I think it's very because our work is on the whole ramp. We are working, we are shooting in front of the camera like good 12 hours. So physically, it can be very draining. And I think that respect I would expect in a way where we are also being paid in a way where it should be. I mean, yeah, and
but does
avoiding
it,
any
does it
sort of
meet your needs
exploitation.
and all?
Sorry?
Does it meets your needs and all when you talk about the pay scale and all? Or is it like the industry standard ke hisab se you get the pays and all? How is it?
I think it's the market, that's what they say, but I still feel if the growth is happening elsewhere, why not here? So I think this also, I'm sure it has happened here. Not that I'm not denying it has not happened, because I have seen my growth, and I'm sure it's for the fellow people who are working with me. Of course, there has to be. But still, I feel the way, because as an actor, I'm just like kind of trying to look back and understand that how much as models we work hard, we also need a little bit of a increment as per like how much physically we involve ourselves. So I think that could be really appreciated if that can put forward this.
That's really great. As you stated that you have invested 5 years in modeling and then you transitioned into acting. ये कैसे हुआ और कब हुआ?
Sorry, say that again.
So
the transition.
The transition phase. So you have been in model industry for 5 years, right? And then you became an actor. So जब आपका ये transition कैसा रहा? कि पता कैसे चला कि यार modeling हो गया, अब ठीक है, now let's jump into acting. Was there any opportunity that was given to you, or is it was जैसा आपने बताया the luck that has been there for you for the whole time? Please.
I think that's a very good question, because the situation has kind of put me in a space where I was not left with any choice but to upgrade myself,
Okay.
like to move forward.
Hmm.
Now what? So this is a situation, what I'm talking about is about lockdown. So until lockdown, I was full-fledged, I was into modeling and I was doing my projects. But when lockdown happened, before that, while I was modeling also for the good 5 years, I also started from the beginning of the modeling career. I was taking once a year, one workshop at least
Okay.
of acting. So I
Okay.
also went to Adi Shakti Theatre, which is in Pondicherry. I was taking few workshops in Bombay. So that work, which was supposed to happen from my end, was happening because I realized in the early career of my modeling career that if it can be a stepping stone for me to become an actor.
Okay.
So my work was there, like it was happening from my end. So when lockdown happened, I felt that this is the time when I have to like move forward and have to jump into it. So there was a project where I got rejected for during lockdown,
Okay.
and that was the time when I got the other opportunity. I immediately grabbed it.
Okay.
So that's how the whole transition happened, and since then, that project I did, there has been like moving forward. Then
Multiple areas has
yeah,
been there for
yeah,
you.
that's how the Special Ops was followed by Special Ops 1.5. Then the
Yeah.
Khaki was.
Yeah. Yeah.
So so it's very important to be seen on the frame, and
Yeah.
I've got it a lot from the directors that have a very good screen presence.
Okay.
So that is like a pass mark for any actor or
Exactly.
or an
True,
aspirant.
true.
So that kind of I really passed the test, and things just started falling in place.
That's really wonderful. You know.
So I feel sometimes you just have to do your work and let destiny also
Play its role.
conspire things for you.
Yeah. Yeah. That's wonderful. You know, before jumping into your acting arena,
Yeah.
I just wanted to talk about your opinion. I mean, your family's opinion. कि ठीक है, बेटी ने मॉडलिंग कर लिया, एक्टिंग थोड़ा डाइसी लग सकता है कि नहीं? So I just wanted to know कि what was your family's take? Were they supportive? Initially were they rejecting it? But then eventually they were like कि चलो ठीक है, it's fine. She's done modeling now. She's into acting. It's totally fine. She's getting her own recognition. That's wonderful for us. So yeah, how was it on your family?
So yeah, I think Sean, it's interesting because my family they've always shown support to me. Like especially my father, I think he's the biggest strength.
He's the foundation pillar of your life.
Yeah, absolutely. Because he started like since day one, he's been pushing me to like move further, and he's always been there and supporting me. And not even like until today, he has ever been like always been very optimistic about. He believed in me more than I believed in myself.
Okay.
So that was, now I can say that okay, I believe in myself after some point when I have achieved a certain things in my life. Then that confidence has come. But my father, when I was nothing, I was just studying, and since then he has always shown that support and that belief in me. So that really helped me like to achieve my goals in my life. But I'm very grateful for the family that I have. My sisters, my mother, she's always been there. They've never questioned about, like, even when I came out as a Kingfisher model, they never questioned. And I think they're very progressive in mind, my parents, and that has been like one of the I have all like gratitude for that. So yeah,
that's really sweet. Having such a lovable family accepting what you're doing, it's a privilege, especially industry में इतने सारी चीजें जब सुनने को मिलती है ना, still parent support does matter. And that's really
and we did mention like these are the things that we hear about industries, like the negative narratives that have. But I think individuals' journey is always different, right?
Exactly.
If I think where it doesn't happen anything negative, I think in the corporate sector or for that matter any other industry, everywhere you will find. So I think it's in your hand how to protect yourself from those adversities, and you just keep moving forward. So that's also the mindset I think you get from your family. I feel in the environment that you have been brought up, or the colleges you have the friends you have. So I think I would take responsibility for
your own
for my mindset and for my choices and its consequences.
That's really wonderful. So हो गई बात बहुत मॉडलिंग के बारे में, फैमिलीज के बारे में. अब चलते हैं, द बिगेस्ट थिंग इन योर लाइफ इज द एक्टिंग फेज, राइट? So you started, I believe you debuted, right, with Special Ops 1.5, and दैट इज़ अ वेरी बिग फ्रेंचाइज, आज के टाइम पे तो बहुत बड़ी फ्रेंचाइज है स्पेशल ऑप्स। एंड यू नो जब आपको ये पहली बार ये प्रोजेक्ट ऑफर किया गया था, व्हाट वाज दैट फीलिंग दैट यू हैड कि लाइक इट्स अ बिग लाइमलाइट दैट आई एम गेटिंग, ओटीटी में भी है, सो यू थॉट कि यू नो दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट, दिस विल किक ऑफ माय यू नो द प्रोफेशनल करियर, माय
On
एक्टिंग करियर?
honestly, no expectations.
Acha.
Like if I ever like because we have to give a lot of auditions, right?
True.
तो मैं जब भी auditions देती हूँ, I don't keep any expectations from it because of course I've had like my bit of rejections also. So why to disappoint yourself by keeping expectations? So but a very strange and a very interesting thing that happened, that one of the casting directors, Shubham and Trishan, they were testing for special ops, and they have tested me for special ops 1.
Okay.
But I got rejected for that. For some reason, of course.
Okay.
Maybe I must not be good. But they gave me the feedback that you were not as good as when they tested me this time.
Okay.
But they told me that I was just like scrolling, and I looked at you on my social media, and I called you immediately to come and test for 1.5 that Neeraj sir is casting for right now. And I went, and things just fell in place. So sometimes it's just like the right time, the right moment, the right project. So I think, again, like I said, like you have to keep at it. I also made sure that I'm in touch with certain people, because casting directors are one of the most important part of our industry. So, and then the right time, I think, because
it happened for you.
It happened for me. It worked for me, and then everything followed after that.
That's really great.
So yeah.
So you know, special ops की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो I mean like I believe you have had conversation with KK Menon and Karan Thakur.
Yeah.
Working with them, they are such big names in the industry. So was there any personal contacts that you had? I mean like the moments that you shared with them that you feel ki like, okay, this is the thing that has stayed with me.
So for Special Ops 1.5, we worked majorly with KK sir.
Okay.
And KK sir is a legend, I would say, because he comes with his bit of experiences and knowledge, and the wealth of knowledge that he comes from. There's so much to learn from him. So we used to sit and chit chat a lot, like me, Adil, my co-actor. We were together in Special Ops, and we were the youngest in the slot.
Okay.
So Adil and I used to listen to KK sir a lot, like whatever he had to say, whatever he had, his experiences he had to share with us. And he also likes to talk. Like he would love to, like if we're sitting over a coffee, he can go on for like for an hour.
What would he talk about like that कि तो घंटों बात चलती है तो?
Yeah, मतलब फिर वो बात शुरू होती है तो फिर वो खत्म नहीं होती है, मतलब
वहाँ
and we were also
directors और
curious.
producers कुछ बोलते नहीं कि KK Menon sir की
this is happening off like
अच्छा,
the camera,
off,
like
okay,
when we are
okay,
going back to our hotel, so we sit in the coffee shop and then we chit chat. Also during, because I think on the set it's very professional. I think Neeraj sir is one of the most professional people I've worked with. So सेट पे कोई बात नहीं होती इतनी.
कैमरा के बाहर सब होता है.
Yeah. कैमरा के बाहर we are always like having our good time, like chilling, relaxing, and I'm very curious, like to know more about, and also because I was beginning the career, so I was curious about like how things work and everything. So Adil and I used to listen to him, and he had a lot to share. So बस it's
ये
always
चलते ही
good.
रहता है फिर.
Yeah, we spoke philosophy, and he used to call falsafa पढ़ा है तुमने, So he has a very good sense of humor. So good time spent like with these people.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
You know, अब आपकी मॉडलिंग के बारे में बात कर ली है ना, एक्टिंग के बारे में भी बात कर ली है. अब चलते हैं, ये एक डिबेट बहुत चलता है, पता है कि थिएटर्स और OTTs के चर्चे बहुत रहते हैं, है ना. आजकल वी सी की एक्टर्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं कि यार OTT में करते हैं या चलते हैं, क्योंकि OTT हैज़ अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ ऑडियंस ऑल टुगेदर. बट वी ऑल्सो सी दैट कि जो फिल्म्स थिएटर्स में रिलीज होती है दैट दे एंड अप इन OTT, राइट. सो you have worked in OTT platforms for so long, है ना. there has been a good amount of time that you have spent in OTT platforms, right. तो do you think कि like आपको वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है कि it can upscale your career from there, or you feel like कि OTT has its own restrictions कि आपको limit करके रखता है? Do you feel like that?
I think it's a matter of pace, because audiences in general, if I would say that, उनको comfort OTT से मिल रहा है because they don't really have to step out and like watch the
बिल्कुल,
theaters.
yeah.
But theater has its own beauty, I feel. I wouldn't say, because in the position that I am in, I wouldn't say it's restricting at all.
Okay.
Because my agenda in life is to work and not to become like, I mean, if God's will be kind, of course I would love to do theaters space, because that's big screen, and big screen is always like fun. And when it comes to filmmaking, and wahi hai, that's the big screen we use, that's a culture, right, when it comes to cinemas. And my whole idea while I was starting, the whole idea was to be come on the screen, like the big screen, and go let people go and like watch the theaters. So that is like a dream. However, I started my before Special Ops, I did Runway 34, which I did a cameo with Ajay sir. So, you know, looking yourself in the big screen, it's always a dream for any actor, for that matter. But I don't think it's restricting the OTT part. It has given the space to a lot of not just actors but to directors and to everybody else, a lot of filmmakers, that space where they
and with
can,
that, you know, I feel कि थोड़ा creative liberty भी आ ही जाता है.
absolutely there is, you can make, because 3 घंटे की फिल्म में आप शायद वो नहीं दिखा पाते हैं जो आप 8 घंटे के एपिसोड में दिखा पाते हैं. So that's also there, and that's one of the reason which basically a lot of filmmakers are preferring OTT platforms. You know, because of this whole liberty is there. You can portray, you can do the storytelling as per what you have visioned, and that's very important. So I wouldn't say it's restricting, but yeah, I think it's rather giving, benefiting to the filmmakers who didn't get chance until now, you know, and yeah, I think it's
that's really fun. Great. So I'm pretty sure कि you know, since you are from the you know, entertainment industry, सब जानते हैं दीपिका पादुकोण को, कौन नहीं जानता होगा, राइट? सो यू नो, रिसेंटली देयर हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ डिबेट्स दैट हैज़ बीन गोइंग ऑन. हमने पहले भी बात करी थी इस चीज़ को लेके. यू नो, दीपिका को रिसेंटली हमने देखा कि शी हैड बीन चक्ड आउट ऑफ क्वाइट अ फ्यू फिल्म्स. संदीप रंगारेड्डी के स्पिरिट ले लो, कल्कि से भी रिसेंटली उसको हटा दिया गया है. यू नो, डिमांड्स आर देयर. यू नो, आई फील कि इंडस्ट्री में डायरेक्टर्स प्रोड्यूसर्स का तो चलता ही है, बट एक्टर्स आई फील समटाइम्स उनकी डिमांड्स को निगलेक्ट कर दिया जाता है. एंड यू कमिंग फ्रॉम एन इंडस्ट्री वेर यू हैव बीन एन मॉडल एंड एक्टर, यू नो, दीपिका का एक वो स्टेटमेंट आया था कि लाइक आई वोंट वर्क फॉर मोर देन 8 hours, आई वोंट लर्न तेलुगु दिस एंड दैट, आप डबिंग वबिंग करवा लो, दैट इज़ फाइन फॉर मी. यू कमिंग फ्रॉम अ यू नो मॉडल एंड एन एक्टर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि ये आप पे कहीं ना कहीं वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन डालता है, और यू फील राइट वॉट दीपिका डिड, you know, as a female actor as well. I want to know that.
Okay, so I feel I have not really like read much about what Deepika said and how much there is a truth, because sometimes media can also
manipulate,
you know,
हो जाता है वो चीजें.
हाँ, I mean sometimes maybe it's not said with that intention.
Yeah.
And it comes across, so you know, you can't just like, you have to really read between the lines what exactly she meant and what exactly it's in the newspaper. So that's also something I would rather say, I'm not gonna completely believe what has been portrayed.
Okay.
But where if she has mentioned about like the 8 hours of working scared, I think everybody would not. Why would anybody would want to work beyond a limited hours? Because our physicality, because I know I've worked for like as model, I've been working for 12 hours.
Yeah.
I would professionally want, the profession needs to have like that boundary to let creative people also like, you know, get their enough sleep also, so that next day they are also fresh. And because creatively we need our brains to also like be in that space where we can think and where we can get more creative and innovative ideas next day, and rest is very important. So I think from that perspective, I feel there's no harm in demanding time for like be it 8 hours, 12 hours, whatever works for you. I can personally work for in between 8 to 12 hours. That's my limit. So I can always go big.
So you have no objections like working in 8 to 12 hours of shift, that is
as of now, no. But maybe over the period of time we'll see how it works. I mean,
it might change.
How would you deny the physicality and the helplessness
exactly
that
has to be
after 40
catered.
45 70, I think those are the periods. I think you need more 8 hours of sleep, and not 6 hours would not be manageable. So that's a different way. But I think these are the things which is important.
Okay. So, Aishwarya, before, concluding this interview, I just want to have a quick rapid fire round with you.
Yeah.
ठीक है? जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करेंगे, ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं है. Let's
Yeah.
see कि आप क्या क्या आंसर करते हो.
Oh,
ठीक है?
rapid fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very bad with rapid fire.
कोई नहीं, चलेगा. ठीक है?
Guys, help me.
They are not allowed to help.
थोड़ा तो है.
ठीक है.
Okay.
It's easy. इतना कुछ
Yeah, please
controversial
make
कुछ
it
है
easy,
नहीं. ठीक,
yeah.
हाँ, easy ही है. So, Aishwarya.
Enough challenges in my life. Okay. Yeah.
नहीं, रैपिड फायर है.
Done.
Challenges नहीं रहेगा इसमें.
ठीक है.
So, Aishwarya, your favorite city to shoot in?
Shoot in city. Delhi.
Delhi.
It has a lot of space.
ठीक है. Okay.
I miss Delhi.
Okay, ठीक है. A fashion trend you would love right now?
Bold lipstick, like bold wine color lipstick, is something that I really look forward to.
ठीक है, that's fine. A fashion trend that you find odd?
Skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
Ouch.
ठीक है.
Sorry, guys.
A fashion trend that you learn from Instagram?
Trend.
हाँ, कोई भी fashion trend जो आपने Instagram से सीखा हो?
Scrolling.
Fashion.
Oh, fashion trend.
हाँ.
Sorry. Fashion trend. Nothing. I'm my own fashion. Yeah, I create my own fashion.
That's the creativity of
Social
Aishwarya
media is
Deshmukh.
not a place to learn. I'm sorry.
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग सीखते हैं.
That's also true. That's also true.
So, a designer outfit that you'd love to wear?
I want every favorite designer of mine.
Specifics हो जाए, एक दो कुछ.
I love Anamika Khanna's, Manish Malhotra's,
Okay.
the recent Diffuse. Yeah. Yeah.
That's wonderful. Wardrobe of a celebrity you'd love to steal. किसका wardrobe चुराएंगे आप?
Ouch.
Actor.
Can I say my? Forget it.
बता, we want to know. We want to know now.
I was saying, can I say my own wardrobe? But no, let it be.
चुराना है, आप अपने में से कहाँ से चुराओगे?
I would not steal.
I mean, inspired लेना हो,
Yeah.
जैसे actress किसी का भी wardrobe आपको you like to steal, किसका उठाओगे?
It can be any actor.
हाँ.
Chal, I'll say Marilyn Monroe.
Oh.
Yeah.
A name that we weren't expecting. So, best ramp walk you've done?
Best ramp walk?
Yeah.
Okay. I think there was one show for Rohit and Rahul.
Okay.
That was one of the closing show for Lakme Fashion Week.
Okay.
It was one of my best walk. I still have it in my mind.
That's wonderful. Worst ramp experience?
I remember once I kind of a little tripped while going back. So I would not say, but it was.
You don't have to mention where
Yeah.
it was. We'll not get into details. Just
Fine,
wanted to
thanks.
know. ठीक है?
Rapid fire, yeah.
And actor you'd love to work with?
So many. There's a big list of actors I would want to work
You
with.
cannot name a list. Just a name I want.
Just a name. I would love to work with Vijay Varma.
Fantastic name.
Yeah.
Again, a name that we weren't expecting.
Okay.
Bollywood actor, best to worst. आपके 5 नाम ऐसे बताओ कि ठीक है.
ये controversial हो रहा
नहीं,
है.
controversial नहीं है.
Worst तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी.
ठीक है,
I'll
worst
say
मत
top
बोलो.
5
ठीक है,
बोलो.
हाँ, top 5. ठीक है, let's put it in that way. Worst नहीं बोलेंगे, top 5 करवाएंगे.
हाँ, so this is the male actors.
Male.
From best starting.
अभी
from
तो
the
मना
best.
कर दिया, best नहीं करेंगे.
Oh, so
Top
what are we
5.
doing? Yeah, top 5,
हाँ.
correct. There's so many. Like if you talk about actors, I feel Irfan Khan was one of my favorite actor.
ठीक है.
Then I would say Vijay.
ठीक है. Two.
I love Rajkumar also. I
Three.
really like Ranbir Kapoor is
4.
there.
One last name we want.
Only one is left.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's a rapid fire. You have to be quick.
Okay. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, I'll say Avinash Tiwari.
ठीक है. A dream role that you haven't played yet. I have been
Oh,
dreaming.
something very periodic, like where it
Oh.
has like the bygone beauties, the presentation.
Understood.
Yeah.
Wonderful. A scene that made you nervous on set.
Oh yeah, there was. Oh shit.
We'll not get into details.
Okay.
Just
So there was one scene in my recent Bad Cop in Hotstar.
Okay.
I was very nervous. How would I do it? But it was a little bit of intimate.
Oh,
So
got it.
I've never done that before. So of course, on
okay.
screen it's difficult.
Okay. Favorite OTT series that you watched recently?
Favorite OTT series?
Yeah.
Oh.
Recently.
Recently, I think I watched recently. There is this I watched a film. Can I say a film?
हाँ
I
film
watched
बता दो.
Nishanchi
Okay.
by Anurag Kashyap,
हाँ
which is
yeah
just released,
yeah it
which
did,
is
it did.
brilliant.
It's
I think I
wonderful.
really enjoyed. Yeah,
Have you watched Badge of Bollywood? देखा Netflix पे?
I have to watch it. It's in my
अरे,
list. I have to watch it. Yeah,
it's
correct,
wonderful.
correct. I've been hearing good things about it.
Okay, actor or model, which is harder?
Okay, modeling is hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Favorite co-star memory that you had?
Favorite co-star memory? I think we had a lot of fun on Khaki set with
Okay.
Avinash and Jatin.
Hmm.
We had a scene and they really pulled my leg. I think I was still, I never left my chance to not pull their legs back. So
अच्छा,
I was ready with my comeback.
ठीक
So,
है,
but
ठीक
that
है,
was interesting.
ठीक है. What's your makeup must have? You cannot
Must.
step out of it. Must have makeup.
Kajal
Kajal. ठीक
or
है.
a mascara.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, brilliant. Hidden talent of yours that fans don't know about.
Hidden talents. Let
Yeah.
it be hidden, na?
नहीं ना, एक तो बता सकते हैं. एक तो बता सकते हैं, please.
Why do you have to be like
why
say
don't-
that in front of the camera?
एक ही तो पूछा.
Hidden talent.
Yeah.
Let that be hidden.
अरे, we were expecting कि Aishwarya will tell something कि oh Aishwarya
Let them
does
discover.
this.
I'll let them discover.
ठीक है, that is also fine.
Yeah.
One thing you always carry in your bag. Phone नहीं हो सकता.
A
Phone
book.
सभी लेते हैं.
A book has to be a book.
Which one?
I have right now in my bag.
So which one book? Which book are you reading?
So right now I'm reading David Eaglesman. It's based on a neuroscience. So
Okay.
so that's something. Yeah.
That's great.
It's called
So-
Incognito.
Oh, Incognito.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make sure that I'll read that book as well.
You should. It's a very interesting book, by the way.
Okay. So last, one word to describe your journey so far.
My journey in
Yes.
one word.
One word.
Oh, यार ये cheating हो जाएगा. Something came to my mind, but
बता दो.
can I say it?
हाँ हाँ.
Maybe unstoppable.
ठीक है. Why not?
Okay, fine. Okay.
So Aishwarya.
Because I remember Priyanka's book is called Unstoppable.
अच्छा.
I think.
Okay.
But because I relate to her a lot, so maybe I think
ठीक है. So one word describes Aishwarya ma'am is that you are
Unstoppable.
unstoppable.
Absolutely.
So with this note, I would like to conclude this interview. It's been such a fun-filled conversation with you, Aishwarya. It's been wonderful having you here. I wish all the success and luck to you
Thank
for your
you.
upcoming projects and all. And I wish that we'll connect once again. It's been lovely talking
Yeah,
to
I know.
you.
Thank you so much, Sean. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.